In this video, I'll show you some daytime video samples from two different VIOFO VS1 dash cameras, one with the brand new CPL-400 CPL filter installed and one without one. I'll show you some daytime footage with HDR turned off and HDR turned on. Some video samples will have the front of the vehicle facing towards the sun, and others will have the front of the vehicle facing away from the sun, so you can see how it impacts the reflections from the dashboard on the windshield. In this segment, I have footage from the VS1 without the CPL filter. HDR is turned off in the footage on the top, and HDR is turned on in the footage on the bottom. You can see in both examples the plastic speaker grill in the center of my dashboard is very noticeable in this image. This footage is from the VS1 with the CPL filter installed. You can see that plastic grill in the center of my dashboard is not noticeable in this footage at all. Starting with this video segment, I'll have the HDR feature turned on in both VS1 dash cameras so that you can see what the footage looks like with HDR turned on with and without a CPL filter. I would like to thank VIOFO for providing the CPL-400 for the VS1 used in this video free of charge. If you've decided you would like to purchase a CPL-400 for your VS1 dash camera, please consider looking in the video description section. I will have affiliate links to the VIOFO.com website and the Amazon US website, and those affiliate links will allow me to earn a commission on those purchases, but at no extra cost to you, and it's a great way of supporting the channel. Thanks for coming to the channel and checking out the video. I hope you found it to be informational. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos just like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.